So I left it at that. Yeah, I did. Oh, I left it at that. Oh yeah. Then I got thinking about ringing you up that night, and I wanted something different to happen this time. So I took myself down to your place. I knocked the door, and there were you, waiting for me. Yeah, I waited outside, and you were there for me. I said, get your things, we're going away today. I said, pack your things, we're out of there. We took the train to the coast, and you ate nothing, said little, and I was ecstatic, like nothing else I'd seen of me. I looked across the water, and oh yeah, I looked across the water, and I saw life waiting across like an asphalt of time. Future past was gone. Smile, oh, just raise one last smile. Before we head our way into that sunrise, we're heading away to a sunrise. I'm hoping for a field in Norway. Yeah, I'm hoping for a field in Norway, and I hope that it rains sometime in Norway, so that we can feel the same as we did before.